Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Welcome to Amabenzo to TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Mamelodi Sundowns 0. I'm joined by Jagarumba.
Hola, Stubos.
How are you, brother?
Grand Chaka, happy too much. Lucky enough for safe today.
Yeah.
Bia, if you're Murile, go Mamelodi, Black Label, over 70 rand if you're Shapi. But lucky enough today, I'm happy to player attack, improve this season, Prague. Improve it, John Wick, Banana Dashboard, you or die, do Savalala. Hey, Braga, I'm happy. I'm happy then. Ugaya message, you are to Mutuaga Command. You are telling Kaizer Chiefs. Lufugu, Junior Kanya, list to fools and Uncle. It's a brand new the draft. Junior Kanya, I want in the ring. I want in the ring, but don't come in. Utala Kaizer Chiefs, Mujita Kaizer Chiefs, understand? After today, analyze the Chiefs for me. So, what one go, what I Chiefs is football. Mara won go fail. South Africa won go fail. Poor football. The Sundowns that we know this one. You understand? Would Junior Kanya, you must respect Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates. Or else, don't tell me no yana. Hotel,